Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab A11 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find the apps, which are right here. Now we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Reset Up Preferences. So here your device is informing you what it will actually reset, so among others disabled app notifications, default apps and background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.